How to download TeamViewer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can download the TeamViewer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. For that, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to launch your browser or you can navigate to your start bar and go for the Microsoft Store. So on your Microsoft Store, if you here you have to search for the TeamViewer. So just search for the TeamViewer on your Microsoft Store. So once you have searched for the TeamViewer, here you have to install this TeamViewer on your device. So you can install the TeamViewer app on your device from your Microsoft Store too. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed up to 100% here. So from the Microsoft Store, you can easily download the TeamViewer app on your PC or laptop. So here you can see that downloading has been completed up to 100%. Wait here. So the TeamViewer app has been almost done, completed here. After that, you want to allow this app to make changes, go for the Add option here. After that, the TeamViewer app has been successfully installed on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Just go for the TeamViewer here. The software installs the TeamViewer app here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily download the TeamViewer on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.